Do you need a slim and lightweight travel charger? This could be probably the best aesthetic looking charger you might get. Hey, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you, which is the USB travel charger from Targus. This is marketed for those businessmen or people who likes to travel a lot. Part of it is because it's slim and it's lightweight. It's tall looking in shape. In terms of design wise, this could be probably the best aesthetic in the market right now, because most of the design out there are actually bulky looking, and these things is directly plug into an AC power and convert that power port into 4 USB charger. So without further ado, let's unbox it. So this thing comes with the dust bag, also the menu in all languages, because it's a travel adapter getting all the world, so they have more international languages inside the menu. So let's check it out. Also they have multiple different type of plug, like the AU, EU, IN, US, UK. So let's now look at the main unit itself. It's a slim and tall white kind of design. So the design in the way that it can be interchangeable to the 5 plug version. So I'm just going to show you an example of me using UK version. So over here I have my GoPro charger. Same, I'm just going to plug it in to show you guys. Once you're on the power, you'll see a blue light indication that it's power up. Next up will be the power bank. It's just a very small 3000 mAh power bank. So last but not least, it will be your cell phone. And over here I have my iPhone X, just to show you guys that all the ports are working. So this is a turbo quad 24 watt USB travel charger, fast charging up to 4 multiple devices, 4.8A total. So technically each port support up to 2.4A. There's a smart detection, and this is the international compatibility USB travel charger, and the price for this is about 45 Sing dollar. For more detailed information, I will link their website so that you guys can actually check it out in terms of the specs and all that. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, please let me know with a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.